You wake up. The ceiling is hand-painted. But your mom isn't making breakfast. She's in Dubai. Your dad? He's in a boardroom in Tokyo. You're 7 years old, headed to school in a motorcade. You are richer than 99% of the planet. The craziest part? You have absolutely no idea. To you, this is just Tuesday. Everyone flies private. Everyone has a summer home, a winter home, and a staff. Then comes the culture shock, the awakening. You go to a normal kid's house for a project. You ask where the private chef is. They look at you like you're an alien. Wait, normal people cook their own food? That's the exact moment the glass shatters. You're different. Here is the truth about growing up ultra-rich. Your childhood isn't a childhood. It's a corporate strategy. Your entire week is scheduled by a team of assistants. Monday is advanced linguistics. Wednesday is private tennis coaching with an ex-Olympian. You don't just hang out with kids from the neighborhood. Your playdates are strictly vetted, background checks included. They aren't playdates, they are early networking opportunities. You're a decade old and you're already building a Rolodex. Now let's talk about the money. Money doesn't exist to you. It's a completely abstract concept. You never see cash. You never see your parents swipe a card. You just say you want something and it physically manifests. You mention you like sailing one afternoon. A week later, there's a custom yacht with your name on it. You don't get a $20 allowance. You have an irrevocable trust fund with 9 zeros in it. You've never checked a price tag in a supermarket. You've never seen your parents argue about the electric bill. Money isn't real. It's just the air you breathe. And honestly, that completely ruins your psychology. Because here is the darkest secret of the 1%. You learn incredibly early that everyone is lying to you. That kid inviting you to his pool party, his dad desperately needs a seed investment from your father. That girl who suddenly has a massive crush on you, does she like your personality or does she like the penthouse? By the time you hit puberty, you are deeply paranoid. Compliments feel like traps. Affection feels like a transaction. You realize everyone has a hidden agenda. So you isolate yourself. You only hang out with other trust fund kids because they are the only humans who don't want your money. Let's talk about your last name. It's not just a name, it's an institution. It's plastered on cancer wards in universities. You Google yourself in middle school. There are entire Wikipedia pages about your birth. Paparazzi camp outside your private school, not because you have talent, but because of your bloodline. Normal teenagers get to make stupid mistakes. If you make a mistake, it affects stock prices. You are essentially walking, talking public relations liability. By 15, you are completely media trained. You know exactly how to dodge questions and show zero emotion. You aren't a kid, you're a politician who can't even vote yet. And despite being surrounded by 50 staff members, you have never been more isolated. Your parents are out shaping the global economy. They love you, sure, but they schedule you in like a meeting. You are basically raised by people paid a salary to care. And the second they get a better job offer, they're gone. Then comes the ultimate trap, the expectation. People think having billions makes life easy. It doesn't. The pressure to maintain the empire is absolutely suffocating. Your grandfather built it, your dad tripled it, now it's all on you. You cannot drop the ball. You are the richest person in the room and somehow the poorest.